we are here with the game breaker, and this is the order from the Raptors. They'll start with Rishabh and Sayam. Then we have Niharika, Shashi, Sonia, Rahul, Tameen, followed by Ratnakar. Meanwhile, with the All Stars, they'll be starting off with Akshat, Karunesh, Nikita, Samir, Veda, Bhanu, Adi, and Satvik. Right, we're ready to go.
We're in the thick of the action as the game breaker is in. And that's in from the All-Stars, a crucial first point.
Akshat placing it to perfection, ensuring Rishabh cannot reach it. Beautiful.
Poised at 1-1 right now.
Right, Rishabh is serving. That's out again, so Rishabh gets his next point. Two one. That's out as well.
3-1 to the Raptors. 3-1 to the Raptors as a rapturous crowd cheers them on.
Right, Sayam.
That calls for the first player change in the game breaker.
Sayam facing Karunesh. Soft touch.
Well placed from Siam over there. This lead stretches. Can the Raptors finally go ahead and win a game breaker this season? Their first.
Nice serve, back of the court serve. Lobbed up. Unforced error. Sayam.
The Raptors steamrolling into an early lead.
Good serve. Lot of spin to that serve. He's racking home the points. The pressure is getting to the All-Stars. We are now at 6-1.
This is dreamland for the Raptors. A reserve here with a 6-1 up in the game breaker.
Beautiful reply. What a play!
Siam with the perfect game.
What a surprise by Sayam.
The Raptors have roared into an early, huge, significant lead here in the game breaker.
And remember the game breaker, whoever reaches 25 wins. So even a single point advantage could mean a lot. What a game! What have the Raptors eaten in the break? Everybody is just clinical in their victory. I can barely hear myself with all the hoots and the whistles.
It's just point after point after point.
9-1.
Another All-Stars error. Another All-Stars error. They're not helping themselves over here. And the Raptors have roared into a 10-1 lead.
Beautiful placement
Some
by
smart
Niharika.
play there from Niharika. Just placed that one. She knew where her opponent was. And she took the decision and she executed it perfectly. We are at 11-1 as the players change again.
Right, we have Shashi from the Raptors and Samir. This is the chance for Samir to give himself 4 points, give himself something. 11-1. Shashi serves. Beautiful return.
The All-Stars strike back with a brilliant shot, a forehand that goes down the line. It is
You can see the
11-2.
strategy has been different for the All-Stars. They've kept their better players for the end. And the Raptors did the exact opposite, which is why they got the early lead.
Another unforced error. This was not part of the plan.
This has not been Samir's best night, to be honest.
Like you said, will we see a late stage comeback from the All-Stars? For now, For now, they're mounting a minor comeback.
Right, this is the final
Can they
point.
score this final point of this round?
Alright, so the captain has given them something to play with. However, the lead is huge. The Raptors leading 12-4. As we have a change, this time it is Sonia. And Sonia will be playing against Veda, who's fresh off a match. Veda serves. Sonia's reply was out.
Right, the All-Stars with a 7-point deficit to make up.
Good control serve by Veda. We'll have to wait and watch.
A full-blooded shot to attempt a
The
winner
referee
into
calls
this.
it out.
Narrowly out is what I thought it was.
But we'll have to wait. They don't review it. Oh, well done. Veda is playing the placement game over here. Not giving it all the power. Lot of spin there by Sonia. Beautiful placement.
A brilliant return, not something that was expected by the All-Stars. And what could have been a significant dent in their lead has been clawed back by 1 point right at the very end. It's still a 6-point lead.
Beautiful placement, but great return by the All-Stars. And finally
Wow.
get the point.
What a point. That looked gone. That looked gone. He clawed it back.
Bhanu, that was. Bhanu playing Rahul.
And the Raptors strike back.
Right, we are at 14-8. Good serve. Back of the court.
That's out. It's been claimed to be out at the very least. The Raptors halfway, 10 points away from their first win.
Yet again, the Raptors are romping home.
Swung at thin air over there. He'll look back on that and be disappointed. He swung hard at it. He should have connected.
Right, we're down. Tamim and Ratnakar. Lot of spin in that reply, but unfortunately doesn't work for him.
Did that take a nick off the net?
No, I don't think so. I think it just swerved in the air. Right, 17-8. You can see how much spin he's adding to the serve. Gentle.
Oh, patient play, but well placed. Well placed from the All-Star. The Raptors will still be confident over here. A massive lead. Another unforced error. This is just unbelievable at this stage.
I think the previous Dreambreaker experience is helping Raptors.
You could say that, but this is a massive lead.
Massive lead.
A 10-point lead. 19-9. I don't think we've seen this at any other Dreambreaker like this.
Crowd's going bonkers. That's an out. That's an out. That was a lucky leave. Looks like a lucky leave actually.
These are the players, huh?
Niradi grabbed at it, but luckily he was out. And that means the Raptors are 5 points away from their first win of the league. Anticlimactic, but the score is 20-11.
Sadhvik is a replacement in the team. Let's see if he gets 3 points. It would be really useful for all stars. So that's an unforced error.
Always believe in the commentator's curse, except when it's me. But We're at 21-11. 4 points. Can Rishabh close it out for his team? Can he do 4 on 4? Oh! An ill-judged sleeve that snuck in right in between, right inside the line rather. And the Raptors 3 points away from heaven. What a shot that is. Another pass. Almost casually putting it beyond his reach. Rishabh is a man on a mission over here and he's 2 points away.
It looks like Rishabh's comeback after that disappointing singles.
Never doubt it. Never doubt it. Point conceded. Almost dismissive. Raptors now just 1 point away from their first win of the season. Siam serving to win it. Crowd with an anticlimactic moment, but the All-Stars still alive for now, and I've spoken too soon. Sam again serving to win it. And it's done! The Raptors see their first win of the season. It's a pitch invasion as everybody gets onto the court. They're all celebrating after 2 close games where they narrowly missed out. The Raptors finally score their first win of the season, and it's a party here at Reserve Sports. Sandeep, what do you make of that? A final win, was it long overdue? Should they have gotten one before? This one they definitely deserve.
I think All-Stars is a good team. It's like in top 2 or 3, they lose against teams which are, I mean, this win is definitely long awaited. But winning over All-Stars is a very good way to get back into the game.